हमको पुलिस ने पकड़ लिया शिलोंग में because
I am a menace, keep me arranged like tennis. I'm with this shit like I'm Dennis. I started this shit.
फाइनली मैं ज़िंदा हूँ और मैं अपने होम स्टे में पहुँच चुका हूँ एंड अब मैं जा रहा हूँ लोकल शिलोंग घूमने के लिए। स्कूटी मैंने हायर कर ली है। मैं एक्सप्लोर अभी चल कैफे एक्सप्लोर करता हूँ, फिर दिखाता हूँ आगे के वीडियोस। बाय।
hi V.
Hi.
So we are going to ML05 cafe and it's a really pretty place. See the location. Let's go. So we have reached the ML05 cafe and I'm with V.
You don't even know my name?
Yeah, I know your name. It's very V. It's V. So yeah, it's the ML05. This really famous cafe in Shillong. If you're coming, so you have to come there, right?
Yeah.
So we have ordered Naga chili toast. You wanna taste it first? So it looks so spicy.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll try. See the view.
So we are going to where we are going very. Where are we going?
Pretty long walk.
Yeah. So from there you can see Elephant Falls,
Yeah.
and the view is quite scenic there. And there's a park. And रास्ता बड़ा अच्छा है यहाँ का, right?
बहुत अच्छा.
बहुत. Bye. So we have reached Elephant Falls. Not exactly Elephant Falls. Well, what's the place? I forgot the name.
Battilang Park.
Methilam Park. So we are at Methilam Park and there Elephant Falls. So we are going down. Is it that cold?
It's very cool.
Where? Like this? What a pose. Are you gonna jump? Are you gonna jump or what? You gonna make a Titanic pose?
Yeah.
Like iconic Titanic pose.
The video?
Where is your Jack?
Huh?
Jack.
I don't know.
How's this jacket, V?
Choo choo.
So sweet.
Yeah, you look so
I'm taking
sexy.
it home. Thank you for the gift.
No.
Thank you for the birthday gift.
I will freeze to death.
A few minutes later.
हमको पुलिस ने पकड़ लिया शिलोंग में because she was not wearing a helmet. Yeah, so see. Oh God, and it's getting dark, right? And we are going to Police Bazaar after this to buy a helmet and to buy a muffler. We'll meet you there. तो जब पुलिस ने पकड़ा था हमको, हमने स्कूटी कहीं पार्क करी लोकल जगह पे एंड फिर हम जा रहे हैं हेलमेट लेने के लिए. So we're going to buy a helmet, right?
Yeah. Yes.
And then we're gonna wear a helmet and we're gonna again start our ride, our scooty ride. So we are here in Police Bazaar. This is the Police Bazaar. Let me show you. get a colored one.
No, 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 that one.
So we have check तो करना तो भैया. पहन के देखूंगा ना.
I think
का
that
ये?
one.
150.
150.
Okay, okay. बताते हैं. So we are in the local market and she's helping me to buy a green jacket, green sweatshirt.
This one, this one.
It's also nice.
So new.
So we have two options, grey and green. It's sick.
One eternity later.
घंटे से हम ढूंढ रहे हैं हेलमेट एंड फाइनली हमको मिल गया. हेलमेट का स्टोर मिल चुका है हमको अब. लेट्स बाय हेलमेट. Finally the hunt for helmet is done and we got the cheapest helmet out there for 200 rupees. Yeah. So we're gonna go for a drink. No, not a normal drink. So पुलिस बाजार घूमने के बाद एंड एक लोकल मार्केट घूमने के बाद हमको हेलमेट मिल गया. उसके बाद मैंने एक पेन ड्राइव भी ली क्योंकि मेरा फ़ोन का स्पेस फुल हो चुका था. एंड राइट नाउ हम एक कैफ़े में हैं. व्हाट्स द नेम ऑफ दिस कैफ़े?
I forgot.
You forgot the name.
Yeah.
God. So we forgot the name of this cafe and it's really pretty. You can see. Not the cafe. And we are having some mojitos. I'm having rice of the Phoenix and she's having orange blossom. Yeah. So इसके बाद हम जाएंगे वापस घर पे. I'll meet you tonight. Bye. So how is your drink? It's very much like Mirinda. Fresh.
Yeah, I feel fresh.
It's like Mirinda.
But it's
Mirinda and
cold.
Fanta.
I'm feeling cold. I'm drinking this.
Yeah. So we are going back. How was the food?
It's a drink, not a
Yeah, sorry, drink. Finally, I've reached my place, my homestay.